People looking for a little more care in Canada's overstretched health system are the driving force behind a growing trend to hire something called patient advocates. Basically, you get help working the system for a price, and that's the problem. CTV's medical specialist Davis Favreau explains.
Few doctors make house calls these days, but patient advocates do. Lorraine Hulley helps people, often seniors, navigate the healthcare system.
Hi, Dale.
Her client today, Dale Norton, who's had severe pain with arthritis and back problems.
I wasn't getting the answers that I needed to what was causing the problem.
Well worth researching, what that looks like.
Like many in this small but growing field, Hulley once worked in healthcare. Now she represents patients, asking questions, keeping records as they undergo tests and see specialists.
We translate that medical jargon. We make sure that, again, the doctor hears what the patient is saying.
There are about 24 private health advocate agencies in Canada, paid by the patients to be their voice in an often confusing health system.
How are you doing?
And demand is growing, says Susan Hagar. She runs Nurse on Board in Ottawa, helping people like Anita Rosenfeld monitor medications and side effects.
For the future, this isn't something we want you on long term.
It makes me feel significantly better, much calmer, much safer.
Hagar says her job is to protect patients.
And so I have had a couple of patients in the community whose medications were actually incorrect, sometimes the wrong patient, or the wrong drug, or the wrong dose.
But some doctors worry the trend is creating an unfair system.
These advocates are a Band-Aid solution, but only for the folks who can afford their services. And these are expensive services, $80 to $90 to $100 an hour.
Rosenfeld says she's cut spending on other things.
It's an investment in my health. It's an investment in my life.
And until the government improves the healthcare system, advocates are for some one way of cultivating peace of mind. Davis Favreau, CTV News, Toronto.